Hello, hello. How are you? I heard from a little birdie that you are getting promoted soon. Yes, because of your extremely skillful managing skills, you will be awarded, especially today, junk food. And I see an accessory, fashion accessory, probably an earring.
Are you are you
So we
reading
will
my
be
fortune?
discussing the tarots. So today I will just be associating a certain date with a certain set of cards because I'm not yet familiar with these. We have only four suits or five. The wand, the sword, the pentacle, the cups, and the what? Yes, we only have four suits, just like clubs, diamonds, spades, and hearts. But in here with tarots, we have planets and symbols like justice and Mars. Okay. So your first card is none other than number two, Two of Cups, water, Cancer. Your message is open your heart and receive love from others. Balanse, attraction, pagiging magaling na partner, makiayos sa mga tao, kaligayahan, ekwalidad, koneksyon. Oh. Number two, sinong kilala mong Cancer? Ang unang mong card para sa taon na to, na semana na to, na paparating, ay number two, Cancer. Walang iba, kundi Sai, Lenny, Ernie, Andy, Ipok, RC, at Christian Lim ang iyong una.
Who's Christian
Nako,
Lim?
the first, the last, and the only. Sabi,
Christian Lim.
ang iyong Two of Cups, may baso ka na dalawa. Kay Christian Lim, ang susunod mo naman na baraha ay number 8, Air Gemini, 8 of Swords. It seems like you're blocked, but you can still take a step. This empowerment, fears, doubts, uncontrolled thoughts, fruitless overthinking, captivity is your second card. Do you know any Geminis?
Gemini. Si,
Azon,
si Mark.
Landeral, Pickles, Celine, Tatay, Delma. Marvin is not a Gemini. He's a Pisces.
Ah, he's a
He's
Capricorn.
an Aquarius. He's an Aquarius. We do not end the year with Marvin. He is the start of the year. So, can you choose Azon, Pickle, Celine, Tatay, and Delma?
Mm. Choose?
I
Tatay.
see you have chosen Tatay. So, you have Christian Lim and Tatay,
Who's
2
Christian
and 8.
Lim? Who is Christian Lim?
Next is
He's
number
unknown
three,
to me.
Knight of Cups, Air of Water. Express your creativity with compassionate emotion. Romantic, sensitive, indolent. Graceful, poetic, vain, moody, idealistic. Is your third person this week? Do you know any number threes in your life?
Number threes?
Who is the knight who holds your cups? Sino ang tagapagtanggol mo na may hawak ng iyong baso?
Taray.
Pumili ka ng number three. Alam ko na
Ulit ang
napili mo.
choices.
Walang choices. Ano ba number three sa'yo? Pwedeng ano, taon ng March?
Ikaw.
Sige, letter C. Kasi ABC. Pang-apat mo na card ay number one, Ace of Cups. Ace, Water. Nako, isa na namang premier card. Open your heart and receive the emotions around you.
Ganon.
Unconditional love, new feelings, new friendship, beauty, opulence, pleasure, self-love.
Mhm.
Number one ka, 2831. And your last card for this week. Number five in your order is number three. Reach out for the help you need when you need it. Cooperation, gain, teamwork, creativity, realization, influence, common goals. Capricorn is your last card for this week. This auspicious week of June 7 to June 14. Are you ready for your 28,313 Singapore dollars?
Wow.
Yes, Earth sign Capricorn, Three of Pentacles. So we should actually match this. Earth and then a Capricorn. Your choices are Bong Leonardo, Angel Navarro, Ia Leonardo, Daisy Boyles, J.R. Atlaw, Nanay. I see you've chosen Nanay. So you have Nanay, Tatay, and
Oh,
Christian Lim.
who is Christian Lim? Sino? I didn't choose him.
Oh, this is horrible. You're so filial, very main family oriented, very Disney plus.
What's good on Disney Plus?
It's very liberal, very order centered, very blue, very Democratic Party, conservative, very smart. So, yun, do you have any trivia for me about zodiacs and the tarot cards?
Did you know that the cat was left out?
Ah, the fruits basket.
Do you know the story of the eight immortals?
Oh, is this a Marvel story?
No, it's a Chinese legend.
Eight immortals of what? What's
Just
that?
you search it, Chinese myth, eight immortals.
You should tell me the myth. So
So
there were eight immortals.
there were these eight mundane people. They're like regular everyday people. And then they were blessed with powers to cross the sea. They were blessed with like gifts, and then their gifts are used to like cross a really violent sea. Yeah. So a lot of our productions are based on that myth, including the one where we shot in
Thank
Indonesia.
you for sharing. What kind of powers?
Not powers, like really gifts. Like there's one that so it's
Ang
apparently a
sensitive mo
power,
naman.
but
What?
sensitive gift.
You're so irritable.
Excuse
You,
me?
we should change our relationship together. Maybe you should start owning the fact that you send me money.
What?
Yeah, so you should accompany that with the way you're talking to me.
How do I do that?
After all, I can't pay for anything without you. So you need to add that to how you're talking to me.
So I got some news.
Uh-huh. I'll never know about these powers and why they're only eight. We're talking about people in 12s here. You're not helping me.
Okay, wait.
It's gonna be an odd thing to associate it with. Are they like beings like Amaterasu, like Monkey God King?
So there's a beggar, okay? And then
Mhm.
and then there's a chef, and there's a scholar and a swordsman, and then there's a elderly sage known for riding a white donkey backward. Mm-hmm.
The hell?
And then there's a musician. Mm-hmm. This is interesting. And then there's a nobleman. And then we have a gender ambiguous character carrying a flower basket. And then the only woman, there's one only woman. And then they each carry one prop. So one carries a crutch,
Naiiyak.
and then fan, and then sword, and then drum, and then flute, and then jade tablets, and then a flower basket, and a lotus flower.
Kapkun ka, teacher.
So I have to tell you really, really bad news. We weren't extended in this house, so we're gonna move out soon in August.
What?
Yeah.
I told you you would move out.
Yeah.
You make sure that it's gonna be 3 years until I visit so that you'll have a long stay.